Mark B. Murphy here. As a wealth manager, there's literally dozens of asset classes. But for our purpose today, I'd like to make sure that there's only two asset classes. And we like to refer to them as either paychecks or either free capital or playchecks. And so what I suggest that all of our clients do is they set up a series of assets that will give them either a guaranteed or a highly reliable stream of income to replace their income going to work every day. And I'll call those paychecks. But then we want to have another series of assets where they can spend it, they can save it, they can give it away, they can do anything they want with that money. But the important thing is it will not be responsible for producing income for their family. And we'll call those playchecks or free capital. But there's still one more level. If you own a business and that business has profit and profitability and EBITDA, rather than maybe selling that business at retirement, if you could maintain or own that business or some piece of that business where it provided earned income, maybe even enough earned income to support your lifestyle, or maybe even a smidge more, when all your friends in their 60s and 70s and 80s are going to be worried about living too long or running out of money, you actually might be a net saver. And that's how entrepreneurs and business owners create multi-generational wealth. I'd love to explore those ideas with you and a lot more. Mark B. Murphy. Have a great day.